the first open gondola I've been in.
Design doesn't make much sense.
Nah, it's like all the drawbacks of both a gondola and a chairlift. But it's kind of cool.
It's kind of cool.
All right, we just did our first run, and this place is way, way better than we were expecting it to be.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
All right, Wade and I have been riding we've been riding for the whole morning. It's been pouring rain like the whole day, but we got hungry, so we rode to Burger King, and Wade's about to go in just like this. It's just covered in mud to go pick up our food.
Tension can't keep them under the surface. If I could, then I would. If I could, then I would. If I could. If I could, you don't think I would pretend.
We made it back from Burger King, but we're both really, really cold. It's like 50 degrees and pouring rain.
My lips are blue.
I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming over and over again. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming over and over again.
Okay, Wade, you're here at Mountain Creek. This is your first time at the bike park. What do you think of it?
It's a pretty sick mountain. Pretty good flow trails, a couple of them. Main thing is tech here. It's a lot of sick tech. Big jump lines, so it's pretty fun all around.
What's your favorite trail so far?
The black jump line we did yesterday. Big jumps.
Yes. What do you think of the Cabriolet gondola?
It's the most ridiculous design I've ever seen in my entire life. It's all the drawbacks of both the gondola and the chairlift.
Yes.
So.
And what's a good thing about today?
It's not raining. That's the big thing.
Very good.
Yesterday was disgusting.
I can't wait forever, 'cause I don't have the time left to spend wishing I was someone better, wishing I could start all over again. I had trouble coming, I had trouble coming, I had trouble coming over and over again. I had trouble coming.
So, Mig, what are your thoughts on this bike park?
Oh, it's pretty cool. I didn't really know it existed until I saw it pop up on my Facebook feed, and I was like, ooh, I want to go to a downhill park because I'm lazy and I don't like pedaling. And we're here, and it's not raining today, so it's pretty good.
I want one downside and one positive about this bike park.
The downside is I don't have a season pass here, so I had to pay for a lift ticket, which I don't like doing. Positive is it's way better than I was expecting. I wasn't expecting much out of the New Jersey bike park, but this place is honestly like on the Highland and Killington level, so it's pretty good.
And what's your least favorite trail?
My least favorite trail is Bob Gnarly. It's like this insane tech trail, and I crashed into a tree yesterday because it was raining, and I hit a rock and it was really slippery, so I don't really like that trail, but we might do it again today because it's drier.
And what do you think about the roof tent? Was it comfortable? Large enough?
The roof tent's awesome. I kind of want to buy one now, although I will note that you have to have some good ventilation if you have two guys after a day of mountain biking in there.
And Burger King.
Pro tip.
And Burger King. Too much Burger King.
Yeah. You kind of ask me, what did I eat for lunch? What'd you eat for food yesterday?
What did you eat for food yesterday?
Oh, so yesterday I fried up some bacon on my camp stove and I ate that in the morning. We got hungry, so we rode our our mountain bikes into town, and then we went through the drive-thru at Burger King and got some Burger King. And then I had Burger King again for dinner. And I have a little bit of a tummy ache this morning.
Very nice.
I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming over and over again. I had trouble coming. You don't think I would quit it? I had trouble coming, but I still don't quit. I had trouble coming. That I can hear in my head. I hear it over and over again. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming over and over again. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming. I had trouble coming over and over again.
I got a special delivery here for Wade.
Oh yeah.